I got me a little project here. I'm going to put together this vevor transfer seat, shower transfer seat. The one we've had for a while. Looked for several different ones on the old Amazon and all. And this one here is the one that I chose. We'll see what it looks like. It says it only should be a few minutes worth of put together. I've taken it all out of the box, which was pretty well packed. Of course, everything's wrapped, so there's a lot of unwrapping to do. If you can't handle that much, you probably shouldn't be putting it together. But it's like a part. It's the vevor transfer tub bench. And put the like pieces together, and then the biggest part is over here. But we're going to do a little step by step and see how far we go, and see what these instructions say. It shouldn't be a big deal, but it's supposed to handle a lot of weight and be a pretty good sized, good transfer chair. Okay, they send you 2 of these bars here. One here and the other one right here. And they've got some holes in them. And this little deal here is supposed to be going to be your stopper as you slide past. So the holes have to be aligned in a certain way. The instructions say it's aligned on the outside, and I imagine that's why so it catches onto here. So we'll see what happens there. Okay. Well, okay, we got the 2 bars in. They kind of go through this hole here, and they are a little greasy, a little oily. So you're going to feel that on your hands when you go through here. But on that side, it's got the stopper to stop the pole from sliding. On this side, it does not have a stopper to keep it from sliding. So we'll see how that works out in a minute. Okay, kind of hard to do with one-handed, but it's a little odd shaped. But they do send you a screw and a washer and the Allen wrench to attach them to these holes right here. Now this L shaped right here was one of the parts, and it goes into those long pipes right here. I did have to move it back and forth a little bit to get it shoved in there to get down the hole a little bit, but I thought it was just going to be one of these regular push pins to attach that, but they've got a little bit more solid connection, so I'll put that together and we'll go on to the next piece. It's going to be one of these L-shaped looking things on this side and one on the other end of the pole down there, and we'll see if we can give a better idea when that gets done. Okay, and then the very bottom of the 4 legs that they want you to put on next, and we'll get those going here in a second. I think they just slide on right onto the 4 posts here. They've got the little connectors. It just looks like they just pop on. Okay, well, we got those 2 down there on this one and this one. A total of 4. I'll turn it over and see what it looks like. Okay, now we have the 2 arms to put on, and they've got a little slider right here. After you slide on the end, that goes into a hidden pin down here. You can hear it click. That one's that side. And if you're really talented, you get them both done without making a big mess. Now that one's on that side. So all that's left is the back and the safety belts. But we're getting it. Well, that was anticlimactic. The back actually just pushes in back here. It's got a couple little clips. Those little push-in nuggets. buttons, and it just pops right in. And it had the seatbelt attached. I hadn't seen that. They do send you one other little piece for the shower. And you can clip that in wherever you think is appropriate. I'm not sure if we'll use it or not. Oh, I guess here's the payoff. That's what it looks like together with the feet down there, kind of set up together. This is about all the way up. Here's the little pull knob, gives you the action for turning, and here's that little slider bar that allows you to go back and forth, almost ball bearings, which is better than the one we had, because it didn't have ball bearings. It was kind of a friction thing. Anyway, there's your vevor transfer bench.